Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks once more for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. If you operate heavy vehicles or are simply curious about tire safety, performance, and selection, you're in the right place. In this two-part series, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on heavy vehicle tires. Let's begin our journey with Part 1. Are you curious about heavy vehicles and their many tires? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of heavy vehicles and delve into the importance of their tires. From construction equipment to commercial trucks, these vehicles rely on robust and durable tires to navigate challenging terrains and carry heavy loads. Join us as we uncover the key aspects of heavy vehicle tires and how they contribute to efficient and safe operations. Let's get started and discover the essential role that tires play in the world of heavy vehicles. When it comes to heavy vehicles, such as trucks and construction machinery, the tires play a crucial role in ensuring safety, stability, and optimal performance. The right tires can make a significant difference in handling heavy loads, providing traction on various terrains, and enhancing fuel efficiency. Let's delve into the importance of heavy vehicles' tires in detail. One of the primary reasons why the choice of tires is so important for heavy vehicles is safety and stability. Heavy vehicles often operate under challenging conditions, carrying substantial loads or navigating through uneven terrain. The tires need to be able to handle the weight and maintain stability, preventing accidents and ensuring the safety of both the vehicle and its occupants. Heavy vehicles are designed to transport and handle substantial loads. The tires need to have adequate load carrying capacity to support the weight being carried. Choosing the right tires with a high load index ensures that they can withstand the heavy loads without experiencing excessive wear or compromising vehicle stability. Additionally, properly inflated tires help distribute the load evenly, minimizing strain on individual tires and promoting overall load handling efficiency. Heavy vehicles often operate in diverse environments, including construction sites, off-road locations, and challenging weather conditions. To ensure optimal performance and safety, it is essential for heavy vehicles' tires to provide sufficient traction on various terrains. Tires with deep treads and specialized tread patterns offer better grip, enabling the vehicle to navigate through mud, gravel, snow, or uneven surfaces with improved stability and control. Fuel efficiency is a crucial consideration for heavy vehicles due to their substantial fuel consumption. The tires can significantly impact fuel efficiency. Opting for low rolling resistance tires can help reduce fuel consumption by minimizing the energy required to overcome tire resistance. By reducing friction and optimizing the tire's interaction with the road surface, fuel-efficient tires contribute to cost savings and reduce environmental impact. In conclusion, the importance of heavy vehicles' tires cannot be overstated. From ensuring safety and stability to handling heavy loads, providing traction on various terrains, and enhancing fuel efficiency, the right tires can make a significant difference in the overall performance and effectiveness of heavy vehicles. Considering the specific requirements of each heavy vehicle application and selecting the appropriate tires is crucial for optimal performance, cost savings, and safety. When it comes to heavy vehicles, choosing the right tires is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and safety. There are several factors to consider before making a decision. Let's discuss the importance of load rating and load capacity, speed rating, tread patterns, and tire construction. The load rating and load capacity of tires play a significant role in determining their suitability for heavy vehicles. Load rating refers to the maximum amount of weight a tire can safely carry at a specified inflation pressure. It is typically indicated by a numerical value on the sidewall of the tire. When choosing tires for heavy vehicles, it is essential to ensure that the load rating is appropriate for the anticipated load the vehicle will be carrying. Likewise, considering the load capacity is crucial. This refers to the maximum allowable weight a tire can support. It is important to match the load capacity of the tires with the vehicle's weight and the expected load it will bear. Failure to do so can result in tire failure, poor handling, and compromised safety. The speed rating of tires is another important consideration when selecting tires for heavy vehicles. It indicates the maximum speed at which a tire can safely operate. Higher speed ratings generally indicate better heat dissipation and stability at high speeds. Heavy vehicles that frequently operate at higher speeds, such as long-haul trucks, may require tires with a higher speed rating to ensure safe and reliable performance. Tread patterns play a vital role in the traction and handling capabilities of tires, especially for heavy vehicles. Different tread patterns are designed to perform optimally under specific conditions. For instance, deep, aggressive tread patterns are ideal for off-road applications where enhanced traction is needed. On the other hand, shallower tread patterns with more supping are suitable for highway driving, as they offer improved grip and better fuel efficiency. When selecting tires for heavy vehicles, it's essential to consider the terrain and weather conditions they will encounter. Understanding the intended application of the vehicle and the demands it will face will help in choosing the most suitable tread pattern. The construction of a tire greatly affects its durability, handling, and ride comfort. Heavy vehicles require robust and sturdy tires that can withstand the demands of their weight and load. The two main types of tire construction commonly used for heavy vehicles are bias ply and radial. Bias ply tires use multiple layers of crisscrossed nylon cords for added strength and durability. They excel in off-road conditions and heavy-duty applications but may provide a slightly harsher ride. Radial tires, on the other hand, feature a layer of steel belts underneath the tread for enhanced stability and better fuel efficiency. They offer a smoother ride and are commonly used for highway driving. Considering the tire construction is crucial as it directly impacts factors such as durability, fuel efficiency, grip, and overall performance. It is important to select the tire construction that best aligns with the specific needs and requirements of the heavy vehicle. In conclusion, choosing the right tires for heavy vehicles involves considering various factors such as load rating and load capacity, speed rating, tread patterns, and tire construction. By selecting tires that are appropriate for the vehicle's weight, load, and intended application, you can ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity. That concludes part 1 of our series on The Essential Guide to Heavy Vehicle Tires. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the safety, performance, and selection factors. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 2, where we'll delve deeper into this critical topic. Thank you for watching.